Welcome! In this video, I'll show how you can factory reset Android. So, there are ultimately two ways you can hard reset your Android device through. First one, launch your device's settings. And you can either just use the directly or straight up use the settings search and input the factory reset, or just reset query and it will find it for you. Or typically you will need to go into your system preferences, then reset options or reset, something of that nature, and here select erase all data or factory reset. Before you do that, make sure to back up all the data that is indeed important to you, since after the factory reset process, the internal storage will be pretty much wiped. So take that into account. Now simply follow the instructions you'll see on your screen, erase all data, confirm, blah blah blah, and so on. Now, the second method involves booting into the device's recovery mode and is more useful if you, for example, forget the lock screen password and would like to, well, start using your phone again. Just keep in mind once again that by hard resetting the device, it will ultimately delete all the data that is stored on the phone's internal storage. Anyway, enough talking. So first you will need to shut down your device or power it off. Typically you can do that by simultaneously pressing volume up and power keys and, well, selecting the power off. Now allow a few seconds for your device to properly shut down, and after it is, start simultaneously pressing volume up and power buttons. Or actually, the recovery mode entrance is a device-specific procedure, so before you do that, make sure to research and find how to put your particular device into the Android recovery menu. So as you can clearly see, my attempt at entering the recovery mode spectacularly failed, so I'll need to shut down device once again. That's also something that happens, so do not be afraid to, well, if you won't boot into the recovery menu the first time around. So once again, for my device, I'll need to simultaneously press volume up and power buttons, and it should put me into the bootloader menu. Maybe, yeah, probably I'm wrong, and I'll need to press volume down and power buttons once again. This process is pretty much device specific, so different manufacturers, different device models may have this key combination different. So once again, keep that in mind. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that you are supposed to simultaneously press and hold volume up and power keys for the bootloader or the recovery menu on this particular device. Maybe you'll still need to hold the volume up button. Well, once again, no luck, but I have all day, Mr. Pixel. I have all day for it. I'll just keep trying and well, just simply keep trying until I'll reach the recovery menu. And yeah, I've just checked. I was actually incorrect. I actually need to press volume down and power buttons. So as you can see, even for me, it is a learning curve with every new device. Some phones actually require you to connect them to a computer through a USB wire. So yeah, entering the recovery mode, once again, it's a very device specific thing. So before, if you opt for the second factory reset method, so the recovery mode method, keep in mind that it might take you a while to actually enter the recovery menu. Here it is. Well, not recovery mode yet. That's how it's implemented on my particular Google Pixel 9a. You will first need to enter the fastboot mode, then use the volume rocker to select the recovery menu here, then press the power button to confirm the selection. Now I should get the no command interface, which is also completely normal and something that you can also stumble upon with your particular device. So typically, in order to actually get through this no command interface directly into the recovery mode, you will need to either press and hold the volume up and power buttons. Yep, here it is. Now in this Android recovery mode, which we have finally reached, yahoo! Use the volume buttons to navigate, select the let me check real quick. Select the wipe data / factory reset and press the power button to confirm. Then proceed with this action by selecting factory data reset and once again confirming by pressing the power button. And then the factory reset process will start. It will take anywhere between 30 to maybe 60 seconds for the whole data to be properly erased and for your phone to be born in you, pretty much. And then you will need to set it up, but that's something I guess you've already done since you own a device and you took it out of the box. And typically the devices, once you just buy them, require you to perform an initial system setup. Anyway, as far as this video goes, that'll be more or less it. So should you have any further questions, please leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye-bye.